Have you ever wondered how the design and setup of your mushroom blocks impact your oyster mushroom yield? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets behind block weight, size, and perforations to help you grow healthier, larger, and more abundant clusters. Stick around to learn the science behind better harvests. The weight of your mushroom block plays a significant role in determining your yield. Heavier blocks contain more substrate, providing a richer source of nutrients for the mushrooms to feed on. However, there's a balance to maintain. Too heavy, and it can compromise aeration and moisture distribution. We'll discuss the ideal weight, range for consistent growth, and maximum yield. Block size also affects your mushroom's growth. Compact blocks might save space, but they can limit airflow and the mycelium's ability to spread evenly. Larger blocks might seem promising, but they can be harder to manage. We'll uncover the optimal dimensions for efficient and high-yield production. The holes in a mushroom block are very important because they decide where your mushrooms will grow. If you have too few holes, you won't get enough mushrooms growing. But if you make too many holes, the block can dry out too quickly and the mushrooms won't grow as well. The trick is to find the right number of holes and place them evenly so you can get the best harvest. Want those big, beautiful oyster mushroom clusters? It's not just about the block design. It's about balancing airflow, light exposure, and humidity. We'll share tips and tricks for nurturing your mushrooms to produce those impressive, market-ready clusters. Optimizing your mushroom blocks can make a world of difference in your yield and cluster quality. From weight and size to the number of holes, each parameter has its role in the process. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments which technique you're excited to try next. Happy growing!